Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from CinemaSound.com. And a lot of us are kind of hanging out at home right now. I mean, I'm hanging out here on this beautiful day in my backyard. But I wanted to remind you that while we're at home, there's no reason why we can't be bettering ourselves. Actually, right here, you can see back there, over there, I'm growing some dandelions because I like to make dandelion root tea. And here in Southern California, we've had quite a bit of rain. So I expect to have a nice little harvest for myself and my friends and family. So if you haven't seen the Cinema Sound 85-hour education, now is your time to check it out. And if you're a Cinema Sound member, which by the way is free to do, you get it for 30% off. Any of those volumes if you order them all together. And also reminding you that it's a great opportunity to look at some of the education that we have that's separate from that in the form of Adobe Audition 1, 2, 3, or the Quick Start Guide to Surround Mixing, or how to make great auditions. And then, of course, while we're at home, what better way to better ourselves, I think, if I may, than to check out the Upres Your Life course, the 30-day improvement, self-improvement, self-empowerment, self-transformation course, which has been out for a few months now. And then lastly, of course, if you haven't gotten your copy of the Cinema Sound Foley Library, now is actually a really good time because it does take some practice to get good at playing the MIDI footsteps, heel, toe, pickups, and the slides, and just get familiar with those. It takes maybe an hour or so, but once you have it, it's pretty awesome. So anyway, Frank Herbert says that fear is the mind killer from Dune. So don't let fear get a hold of you. Stay in your roots, stay grounded, and know that this is all going to work out. And in the meantime, just get better at what we do. Please stay in touch. There's going to be some more education coming specifically for me since, not a whole lot to do. NAB's canceled. What? And so we're just going to be hanging out, doing more fun and having education. We just had a big trailer from Axonar come out. I'm going to be continuing the live education on that. We started one mix session. We'll probably do, 2 or 3 more live, and more information about that as it bears. Thanks, everybody, and hopefully see you at Cinema Sound or online. Otherwise, we'll see you in post.
Even if you're stuck.